A very good morning to all of you. Today, students, we will do lesson number 8, multiples and factor, activity 4. Last time we have discussed about prime numbers and composite numbers. Means prime numbers are that one number which are having only two factor, means 1 and number itself. And the composite numbers have more than two factors. Clear? So now today, students, we will write these 2 points in the maths copy. So you have to write these points like this manner in your maths copy. Again, I will explain you what are the prime numbers. Numbers which are having only two factors, that is number 1 and number itself, are called prime number. Like 5. 5 is having only two factors. One is 1 and another is 5, because 5 only come in its table. Clear? So what are composite numbers? Numbers which are having more than composite number. For example, 6. 6 coming one table also, 2 table also, 3 table also, and 6 table also. Clear? So it is a composite number. But remember, I have put one line over here, that is 1 is a unique number. Means 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. Clear? This thing you already know. Now the third point, which is very important and you also don't know about it, that is a twin prime number. From the name it comes, the number should be prime first, and second there should be a difference of 2 between two prime number. Twin prime means you have to take two prime numbers and the difference between that two numbers should be true. Two prime numbers with the composite number between them are called twin prime number. Means you have to take two prime numbers and in between that there should be one composite number. Or you have to take two prime number, the difference between that two prime number should be 2. That is also called twin prime number. For example, I have taken 3 and 5. 3 is a prime number and 5 is also a prime number. If I minus it, I will get 2 as a difference. So these two numbers are prime number. One more example we will take. 5 and 7 is a prime number, and if I minus it, we get a difference too. Clear, students? Now we will start activity 4. It is totally based on activity 3 only. Means you have to write down the factors. And on the behalf of factor, you have to tell are these numbers are prime or composite number. If they are having only two factors, it means they are prime. If they are more than two factors, we say it is a composite number. So first you have to write like this manner in the maths copy, activity 4 and question 1 like this manner. Firstly we do A part, that is 5. 5 comes in 5 table, means 5 ones are or 1 fives are is the same thing. So I will write 1 fives are. Is there any other factor of 5? No. So it is having only two factors, so we say 5 is a prime number. Now after A part we do C part. B part I will let you know later on. C part C, we will have to make the factors of 15. We always start from the smallest factor, that is 1. 1 15s are 15. So I will write 1 also and 15 also. After 1 we will see in 2 table 15 come, no. 3 table 15 come, yes. 3 5s are. So we will write 3 also, 5 also. Then see, this number 15 is having more than two factor, means it is having four factors. So it is not a prime number, it is a composite number. Clear? Now E part, that is 31. 31, if you make a factor, it is having only two factor, that is 1 and 31. So 31 is a prime number. Clear, students? Now I will tell you the B part, D part and F part, which I have not discussed in the first slide. Now I will discuss. You have to write down the factors of 12. As you all know, we always start from 1. 1 12s are 12. So I will write 1 also and 12 also. 1 in the starting and 12 at the end. After 1 I will see in 2 table 12 come, yes, at 6. So I will write 2 after 1 and 6 before 12. So that it will give both the factors together, so that I will use less time in writing factor. After 2 I will see in 3 table 12 come, yes, 3 4s are. Clear? Now see, after 3 table it comes in 4 tables. So 4 threes are, now again the factors are repeating, and I already told you we can't repeat the factors. So we will stop now. So all these are the factors of 12. So 12 is a composite number or prime number? It is a composite number. So we write here composite. Clear, students? Now we write down the factors of 27. 1, 27s are 27. Then 27 does not come in 2 table, we will write in 3 table. 3 9s are. So all these are the factor of 27. So 27 is also not only coming in their table, it is coming in other table. So it is also a composite. Clear, students? Now 39, 1 and 39. Now 3 table 39 come, yes, 3 13s are. So again this number is a composite number. So we write composite also. So students, I have done till F part, A, B, C, D or E, F, G, H. Now A, B, C, D, E, F part I have done. Previously I have done 3. Now I have done 3 more. Now I will do G part. 52 I will write down the factors. 1 52s are, so 152 also. Then I will check in 2 table. 2 table 26 are 52. Then 4 13s are. So it is also having more than 2 factors. So we call it composite number. Now we will write off 67. 67 comes in only 1 table and 67. So 67 is a prime number. Clear? Now 95. You know that 95 come in 1 table also, 5 table also, 19 table also, 95 table also. So it is a composite number. Clear, student? Now till now H, J and L part left. So that is the homework for you. Clear? H, J, L part. Which one is left? That is the homework of question 1 of activity 4. That one you have to do by yourself. Clear? Only 3 part I have given. Now student, we do question number 2. Question number 2 is list the prime numbers between 75 and 100. Means you have to find out that one number which only comes in their table. So if we see 79 is the number which does not come in any table. After 79, 83 does not come in any table, 89 also and 97 also. These 4 numbers does not come in any table, so these are called prime number. Even there is a table given in your book, you can see from there the circle one numbers are only the prime number. Clear, students? You have to write like this manner in the maths copy. Now we do question number 3. From here you have to find out the prime numbers between 1 to 60. If you see, so 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 57. All these are the numbers which are only prime number, and from there you have to find out. See, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53 and 59. All these are the prime numbers. Now see B part. In B part, student, you have to tell twin prime numbers between 1 to 60. You have to see the difference between two numbers should be 2. So 3 and 5 firstly, then 5 and 7. See, 3 and 5, 5 and 7. Then you see 11 and 13. Clear, difference is 2. Then you see difference should be 2, 17 and 19. See, Then 29 and 31. Clear? Then 41 and 43. They are having difference of 2 only. Clear? Now student, we will start activity 5. In this, you have to write down the prime factorization. Means you have to find out the factors by using the factor tree. So student, I will do all the parts for you here. Firstly, I will explain you the first part, that is the 12, how we make a factors of it. Firstly, see 12. So student, you have to write 12 first. Clear? Now you will see 12 comes in which table. So 12 come at 2, 6 are 12. So better from 2 and 6. 2 is the prime number because it does not come in any table. So what we do? We will circle this number. Now we will see 6. 6 come in other table, that is 2, 3 are 6. Now see, 2 comes in any table? No. 3 comes in any table? No. Means we are not able to make the factors of these one numbers. So what do? You have to put these numbers in a circle. And the number 2, you have to take as it is down along with the other number. Means, now see, these 2 into 2 into 3 are the factors of 12. If you multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Now, means the number which does not have more factor, we will take down as it is. Means these two I have taken straight away down. Clear? Now see, 12, you have to write down the factor like this manner, 2 into 2 into 3. Clear students? Now we will do second part. 32. Now see, 32 comes in which table? 2 16s are. So you will write 2 in the circle and 16 as it is. Clear? Now 16 factor you will make, means 16 comes in which table? 2 8s are. So I will write 2 into 8 and this one 2 will be copied down as it is. Clear? Now this one 2 and this one 2 I will copy down as it is. Clear? Now factors of 8 I will write 2 4s are. Now 2 does not come in any table, so what I do, I will put in a circle and 4 will be written as it is. Now this 2 does not come in any table, we will copy down as it is. And now we will write off factors of 4. 4 comes in 2 2s are 4. Now factors finish, you will stop. So all the numbers which come down are called the factors of 32. So you will write all the factor like this manner, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Clear students? Now see, question number 3 and 4. You have to write down the factors of 48. 48, as you know that it comes in two tables. When the number is even, it means that all that numbers come in two tables. So you will divide that number. When you divide it, you will get 24. So you write 2 into 24. Then 2 will be copied down as it is here in second step. And we will make the factors of 24. Mean 24 comes in two table again because 24 is a even number, 2 12s are. So 2 will write down in a circle and 12 will be copied down here. Now these two will be copied down as it is and we make a factors of 12. 2 6 are 12. Clear? Now 2 again you copy down in a circle. Then all these number you copy down as it is in the next step and factors of 6 you write down. 2 3s are 6. Clear? Now see, all these are the factors of 48 and you will write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Because when you multiply all these factors you will get 48 as it is. Clear? Now we write down the factor of 56. Again 56 is a even number, so you divide 56 by 2. When you divide it you get 28. And now student, you take 2 as a prime number in a circle and copy down as it is down. Now you make a factors of 28. 2 14s are. So 2 again come in a circle and you will copy down both the numbers down as it is and you make the factors of 14. 2 7s are 14. Now factors will be finished because prime number are not having factors more. So you will stop here. So these are the factors of 56. Clear? Now we will write down the 64 factor. Means we start from 2 only. 2 32s are. Now copy down all the number which you are means in taking in a circle, that one will be copied down as it is, down down down, and you have to make the factors of the other number which is not in the circle. Now you make of 32 2 16, so you write 2 into 16. Then in second step you make a factor of 2 into 8 of 16. Clear? Then in next step you will make a factors of 8, that is 2 into 4. Then you make the factor of 4, that is 2 into 2, and rest of the numbers will be copied down as it is. Clear? We are making the branches. See, you are able to see it is just like a tree. So all these are the factor of 64, means the number which are given at the end of 64. Clear? Similarly, we do sixth part, that is 72. 2 36 are 72. Now you copy down 2 as it is. 36 you will write 2 into 18. Clear? Then you will copy down both the 2 down as it is. Make the factor of 18. 2 9s are 18. Now all 3 2 you will be copy down as it is and make the factor of 9, that is 3 into 3. So 72 factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Clear, students? Now we do seventh part. Here 96 you have to write 2 into 48 first. Then in next step you make a factor of 48, that is 2 into 24, and this one 2 will be copied down as it is. Then this one 2 will be copied down as it is, both the 2. Factor of 24 you make 2 12s. Then in next step you make the factor of 12 and rest of the 2 will be copied down as it is. Then in next step you will make the factor of 6, that is 2 into 3, and all these 2 and 3 are the factors of 96. Clear? Now we do 8th and 9th part. 60. 2 30s are 60. It doesn't mean that you always start with 2. You can take 3 also. Clear? You can take 4 also, but remember one thing, if you are taking 4, 4 is not a prime number, so you have to keep 4 out. Mean you are not able to take 4 in a circle. Only in the circle that one number comes which does not have any more factor. You can't make a branch of it. Clear? So you have to take that one number in the circle only. Then 30 factor 2 15s are. Then you make of 15 3 5s are. So all these are the factors of 60. You will multiply it and you will write like this manner. Now 84, 2 42s are 84. Then 42 factor means 2 21s are 42. Then this one 2 will be copied down as it is. This one 2 also copy down as it is, and then we write down the factor of 21. 3 7s are 21. So now we are not able to divide this factor more. We are not able to make the factors of it because these are prime numbers. So we will write all these factors as it is, and if you multiply it you will get 84. Clear? Now then that is 100. 2 50s are 100. Then you make a 50 factor 2 20. Then you make a 25 factor, that is 5 5s are. Now all these are the factors of 100. You write 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Now 88. 2 44s are 88. Then 44 you will see in which table it come, 2 table. So you write 2 22s are 44. You will write, then you see 22 come at 2 table, 2 11s are 22. Now at the end you will get the factors of 88. 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. Clear? Now after this we will do 12th, that is 54. You will see 54 come in 2 table. 2 27s are 54. Now you will see the factors of 27. 3 9s are 27. 2 will be copied down as it is only. Then 3 and 2 will be copied down as it is, and you make the factor of 9, that is 3 into 3. So it will be 3 into 3 only. Now the factors of 54 are 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Clear, students? So today we have learned what are the prime number, what are the composite number. Then we learn what are the twin prime number. Twin prime number are it should be a prime number first and After that, if you minus it, the difference should come 2. Clear? Then you learn how to make a factor tree of a number, and that method is a part of a prime factorization. This thing you have learned, how to make the branches, how to take the prime number in a circle, how to find out the factors of a number. So this thing you have learned today. Now for you there is some homework. You have to do question number 1 HJL part of activity 4 in maths copy. I hope you understand today's lecture. Thank you and have a nice day, students.